Alright, I said I wanted this lens for nature photography, and that's what I'm using it on, even if it is wasp and a grill. Still nature photography. I was trying to take out the tank, and I got it all the way unscrewed, and I moved it, and one of them flew out, and then I noticed that nest. Oh, I'm so fortunate I did not, or lucky I did not get stung. Oh, Kitty was out here investigating. I haven't used my grill all year. Yeah. I really did just want to film these wasps. I am not this close. I am way far back. I was hoping this lens would give me a little bit more zoom, but this is the Max, a Ultra Sonic 100 through 400 millimeter Canon lens. We'll zoom in at. I am probably about, I don't know, maybe 10 feet, if that, maybe 8 feet. And I might be maybe 8 feet from the nest right now, which is still a good distance. And I can do this and not have to worry about them getting agitated at me. There's Kitty. Kitty, no! No, 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 no! Come here. Okay, yeah. Go back inside. I don't want you going in that wasp nest. Those guys look mean. I'm gonna have to get something to remove them.